Hi traders and welcome to the daily recap show for today, which is Monday the 11th of April. So we said that FTSE had broken above 76.14 to 76.24 and is retesting that zone as I wrote that report this morning. So we said that was key. So we said that if we held it as support and gained acceptance above 76.37 to 76.46, then we could make another move towards resistance at 76.79 to 87. However, if we gained a sustained break below 76.14 to 24, we're back into the range with main support at 75.32 to 59. So let's go and take a look at the FTSE today. Right, so as you can see, we opened up and we moved right away. We first tested this resistance area from Friday at 76.62 to 76.72. And then we had a really impulsive push down. We got a nice reversal signal from that support zone. Would have been better if we'd just taken out that overnight low, done that liquidity grab that we always talk about. That would have been a much more high probability setup. However, this one was still valid from that zone. Maybe you would have just wanted a bit of a wider stop just to make sure to protect yourself from that liquidity grab. We then had another impulsive move and we retested that zone again at 76.62 to 76.72 before getting a fairly strong reaction from there. So that sort of suggested that this was potentially going to be resistance today and we wasn't going to get that move up to that 76.79 to 87 zone that we was maybe hoping for. However, as you can see, there's plenty of room to get really nice, to book some profits for some really nice profits on this trade. Then we were a little bit choppy around this middle zone, which was 76.37 to 76.46. Nothing really clear there. We then got another push down and we held this zone down here. We got another nice reversal pattern here. Nothing in this area over the lunchtime session on the lower time frames in terms of a nice reversal. However, we did get another nice reversal here just after the US Open, which then came up and we tested that zone above. There was something on the 15-minute chart which was just about tradable. We had this this pattern here. Bear with me 1 second, make it a little bit clearer. You can see this reversal pattern here. It's not the best reversal pattern. It's just about tradable. It's one that I saw, but I decided against it myself because it wasn't quite good enough. We didn't quite take out these lows over here on the higher time frame to confirm that move higher. So and it was over the lunchtime session, which can sometimes be a little bit low on liquidity. So there was a potential there, but the best ones for today were probably that signal there, and for sure this signal here just after the US Open from this support zone at 76.14 to 76.21. So that zone has held really nicely today. We didn't quite get up to those full targets. However, we did manage to get up to these other zones whereby you would definitely be wanting to manage and book your profits there as well. So if you'd held runners up here, you may have been stopped on runners, but I certainly would have been wanting to make some money out of those trades with the reactions that we had. So now let's go and take a look at the DAX. So we said the DAX continued to be range bound between 14.025 to 14.045 and 14.315 to 345, and we spoke about how we would react if we cleared those zones, and now let's go and take a quick look at the DAX today. Okay, so there really is not much to talk about on the DAX at the moment. You can see we've got this zone, this range that's developed here, and you can see how choppy this price action is in between that range. That's why we've been sort of talking about just these outer edges for the last few days, sitting there saying that we don't really want to get involved in this middle zone, middle of this zone, because it's just chop and there's nothing going to be too high probability in and around these areas. So if we go down to the 3-minute chart, you will see why that is. We got this move up on the open, a strong push down, strong push up, strong push down, and then we just chopped around today. Yes, we have reacted from zones here and here and here and here and here. Like, we have had reactions from the zones, but there's nothing high probability. We're not testing the outer edges of those zones. You can see that the price action is very choppy. We had, from the open, we had an initial 100-point move up, 150-point move down. We then had a 200-point move up and then another 200-point move down, and then it's just so you can just see in the price action that the price is very choppy in this range. There really is nothing high probability. You're best when the markets are like this just to sit on your hands, wait out. Wait till we get to those real extremes, or wait till we break out and the market tells you what it's going to do. Sometimes that can be frustrating. Sometimes it feels like you're not doing too much. However, I can assure you, you are saving yourself money. You're managing your risk. And these are the most important things as a trader. You just need to be ready for when the opportunities set up and come about. So I hope you found this useful. As I always say, come join our Keyzone Traders community if you're not already there. The link is in the bio in the box below on our YouTube channel. You'll get access to our Discord channels where you can talk to other traders about the setups that you're seeing in the markets. You get all of these reports and recaps before the market happened and in a timely fashion afterwards. And as I say, you just get to be part of a great community. So please, if you're not already, come sign up to the Keyzone service, which is the link is in the box below.